chat. And I want you to know about the chat application to increase your enthusiasm. So I am going to explore the Windows Messenger default chat application in Windows XP in this lesson. Windows Messenger is an instant messaging client of Microsoft's Windows XP operating system. Through this application, we can do text conversation, voice conversation, video conversation, and send files or photos. To open the Windows Messenger, go to Start and click All Programs and select Windows Messenger. The Windows Messenger interface opens up with a dialog box with a sign-in message. Before signing up in Windows Messenger, we need to sign up with either hotmail.com or windowslive.com. After signing up with any of the mail services, click the Signing Up link. The .NET Passport wizard opens with the Add a .NET Passport to your Windows XP user account interface of the passport and privacy statement. Click the Next button. Then the interface opens up asking whether we have an email address, with two options: yes, use my existing email address, that is, the email address created using Hotmail or Windows Live, or no, sign me up for a free MSN Hotmail email address. Check the Yes option and click Next. Next, the interface opens up asking whether you have already signed up. If yes, then click the Yes option. If not, click the No option. You click Yes and click Next. The sign-up interface opens up with an email address box. Type the email address there and the password in the password box. Don't forget to check the box here to associate the Windows Live ID with the Windows user account. And click Next. The last interface will appear, showing the information that now we can use the Windows Messenger. Click the Finish button to close the wizard. The account opens up with the name displayed on top. Before we go on, we have some more tabs to look at. Add a contact. With this option, we can invite our friends or others for chat. If we select this option, a wizard opens up. By this time, you'll have enough knowledge to navigate through the wizard. So start inviting your friends to chat through this option. Send an instant message. This option is used to send a message to the person who is in our invite list. Send a file or photo. This option is used to share the files, documents, or photos with others. Start a voice conversation. This option is used for voice chat using the headphones or mic system to your invited friends. Start a video conversation. This option enables us to begin a video conversation. That is, we can see the person while conversing. This option is accessible only if we have a web camera, a device used to capture our image so they can see us as well. To access more options, like add a group, send an email, go to my email inbox, ask for remote assistance, start application sharing, and start whiteboard, select the More options here. We can also create a group to have a group chat by using the Add a Group option. Likewise, experiment for more thrilling and exciting chat. All those who are eager to chat with their relatives, friends, and dear ones abroad, get signed up in Windows Live or Hotmail.com and enjoy this fascinating chat messenger and feel them near to you. Note, do not ever give your credit card number or password through an instant messenger conversation. I know you'll be very content with the chat application and the email application tutorial.